Hi, this is Amanda from Tailored Transformations, and I want to thank you for joining us today for this meditation. Please don't listen to this while you're driving or operating machinery. Just find some time to sit back, relax and enjoy. You can do this seated or lay down, whichever you prefer. And at the end of this meditation, there'll be some information on how you can get in contact with us to find out more about our products and services. So enjoy. Today, we're going to look at the Sacral Chakra. This chakra is all about balance, about letting go, journeying and creation. So let's begin by just closing our eyes and taking a couple of nice deep breaths. Just breathing in the colour orange, allowing this colour to work its way through your body, from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. And as this wonderful orange light fills every cell, maybe you feel a slight vibration or buzzing of the wonderful energy from this orange light. Now I want you to just move your hands just in front of your lower abdomen, slightly apart with space between. And I want you to imagine that wonderful orange glow, that wonderful orange light, just building energy between those hands now. Really feel it building a ball of wonderful, glowing, orange energy, full of life, full of passion, full of excitement for change. And as you continue breathing in and out, that orange ball of light grows bigger and bigger. You can feel the vibration and maybe even heat from this wonderful healing ball of light. And into this ball of light. It's around the size of a football now. In the centre of that light is a tiny flame. And we're going to use this flame to burn away anything that no longer serves you, to release, to let go. So just like a battery draining, I want all of those negative thoughts, those negative feelings, those unwanted, things that no longer serve you. Just allow them now to leave your body and go into this ball of light, burning them away until they completely disappear, not even leaving any ashes. Really feel that energy, just removing, cleansing and healing. Because we know that letting go is not giving up. Letting go can just be the first step towards success, towards a future that you want. So just release anything now that's been holding you back. And once you've released everything that no longer serves you, you can just push that ball up into the sky and watch as it completely disappears, far, far into the distance, taking all those things with it, leaving you feel light, like a weight's been lifted. And as you still have that wonderful healing orange glow within you, just focus and concentrate now on that lower abdomen. Maybe put your hands on it, just feeling the rise and fall of your breathing as you continue to relax. And as you concentrate and you focus just on that area, a wonderful lotus of 6 petals opens up, just absorbing all that orange, glowing, healing energy. Just allowing it to change, to balance. And as you feel that energy being absorbed into that wonderful lotus, it lights a spark of creativity. And maybe a passion of yours comes to mind. Just focus on what makes you passionate. What ignites that spark within you? What can you do to express yourself? To feel empowered? Whether it's in work or play. I want you to go on a journey now. Just imagining that thing that lights the spark in you. And I want you to really feel all those wonderful emotions when you do it. It might put a smile on your face. Just embrace these wonderful feelings. And as you're thinking of this wonderful thing, this wonderful creative thing that you're so passionate about, that lotus flower can just close, having absorbed the energy. And you can smile, knowing you can come back here whenever you need to. Giving your body what it deserves. Allowing you to express yourself. And delighting in your own abilities and your own passions. I'm just going to say some affirmations now. And I'd like you to repeat them after me. I am worthy. I deserve and I am open to abundance. I ask for help whenever I need it. I choose my own happiness. I embrace fun and joy in my life. I allow myself to experience and create more pleasure in my life. I am flexible and open to change. I manifest what I need in my life. I give my body what it deserves to thrive. I make time to exercise, but also to rest. I encourage myself to express my sensuality and emotions. I take responsibility for my own happiness. And if you just want to take a few more nice deep breaths, just allowing that orange energy, that orange light, to gently fade away, leaving you feeling revitalized, refreshed, and full of positive energy. And you'll get all these wonderful feelings whenever you hear music you enjoy, whenever you do that little dance of happiness, or take part in that thing that makes you passionate. So take one final deep breath, and when you're ready, you can open your eyes.